As you can see, this is my phone screen that I am recording. So let's find a video. Let's go into shorts here. Click on this one, which has 2 comments. Pause it. Comments again. So you can see, somebody said, "You'll make this a series. I love to watch Fortnite bounty hunts, and I would love to keep making them, but it's hard to find people sometimes after your crown has been jacked." Anyways, let's go ahead and comment on my own comment. So we go to comments. As you can see, we get these 2 icons on the right. One is for audio. You can record your voice up to 30 seconds. And then the second one is for recording a video. Keep in mind that these icons may differ. I know that before it used to be the YouTube little icon. I'm not sure if that's still the case for some people, but for me, it's a camera. So if we go into the camera, we can start recording as soon as we press the red button. We can add a background image, add music. We can even have AI help us do different things on our video. So that's pretty cool as well. We have all these options here. We can even click on that arrow and it kind of shows us everything that we can do. So we can flip the camera, whether we're trying to do a selfie or maybe record something that we're seeing, at a timer before it starts recording. We can only record up to 15 seconds. Keep that in mind. You can add different effects, change the speed, add a green screen, add some touches to you so you can look better, add filters, change the lighting, use flash. And then one of the things that I think is pretty cool is that you can go into the comments and check any comments that have been suggested, or if you have saved comments, that's a nice little feature. If somebody commented on a video and you're like, "Hey, I want to respond back, but do it later," you can save them. And then now you can easily access them right here. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back. So again, like I mentioned, once you are ready, you just go ahead and click the red button and record whatever it is you want to record. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I did have to send an email to the YouTube support email because I wasn't able to access the 2 icons that I mentioned. But once I did send out that email, I don't think they did anything, but it just magically appeared for me. So that's great. If you are having the same issue, try to update your YouTube application, of course, maybe restart your phone. And if needed, send them an email as well. Again, this is only for creators so that you can respond to comments on your videos at the moment, shorts. But if you have any questions, let me know. I will be posting that email in the description box, as well as a link where it kind of gives you the same steps I just went over through this video, but on their website. So hopefully that helps as well. If this video helped you out, consider giving it a like, consider subscribing, and checking out my other content. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Okay, and like I promised, I was going to verify whether it works with shorts or long form. I'm actually in one of my long form videos, and you are actually able to also leave a video or an audio response to your comments. So that's pretty cool. You can now respond to everybody, which is great. I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to check me out on YouTube Live and Twitch, as you can find me progressing through games and simply chill with me. I would also like to mention that I now offer 2 levels of membership on YouTube where you can obtain exclusive perks or simply support my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.